For most people, life follows a predictable path. You study for years, you get a job, you earn a monthly salary, and slowly, that salary becomes your entire life. Your rent depends on it. Your family depends on it. Your lifestyle depends on it. At first, it feels great. Your first salary brings freedom. You can finally buy things on your own. You feel independent. But then, something changes. Expenses increase, responsibilities grow, and without realizing it, you enter a system where everything depends on one thing: your salary. If it stops, everything stops. This is called the salary trap. And here's the truth. The trap is not about low income. Even people earning high salaries experience it. Because the real problem is dependence. In this video, we'll break down what the salary trap really is, why smart people get stuck in it, and how you can realistically escape it. Not overnight, but step by step. What the salary trap really is. The salary trap is simple. Your entire financial life depends on one income source. At first, this seems normal. Jobs give stability. Regular income feels safe. But over time, something dangerous happens. Let's look at a common journey. You start with a small salary. Then promotions happen. Your income doubles, maybe even triples. Sounds like success, right? But what else increases? A bigger house, a car loan, higher lifestyle, more commitments. So instead of gaining freedom, you gain obligations. Your salary is no longer creating freedom. It's maintaining your life. Now imagine this: company layoffs, industry slowdown, health issues. Suddenly, your entire system feels fragile because it depends on one thing. That's the trap. Not the job, but having no alternative income. Why people stay stuck? If this is so common, why don't people escape? There are 4 main reasons. 1. Comfort. A salary creates predictability. Money comes every month. That feels safe, even if deep down, you know it's fragile. 2. Time. Most people are tired after work. Long hours, commute, stress. There's very little energy left to build anything else. So the cycle continues. 3. Fear. What if I fail? What if it doesn't work? So people delay starting, again and again, until years pass. 4. Social pressure. Society celebrates. Good job, good salary, good title. But rarely talks about financial independence. So people follow the same path, without questioning it. The key shift: worker to builder. Escaping the salary trap starts with one shift. Stop thinking like a worker. Start thinking like a builder. A worker trades time for money. A builder creates systems that generate income. This doesn't mean quitting your job. It means changing how you think. Start asking, what can I build? What can I create once and benefit multiple times? This is where assets come in. Assets are things that produce income. Examples: a content channel, a digital product, a small online business, investments, consulting systems. At first, income will be small, very small. But that's not the goal. The goal is simple: create a second income source. Because the moment income comes from somewhere else, the trap starts weakening. The side income phase. Most people think escaping the trap means quitting their job. That's risky. The smarter path is gradual. Start with side income, something you build alongside your job. It could be freelancing, content creation, consulting, digital products, online services. At first, the numbers may feel small: rupees 5,000, rupees 10,000, rupees 20,000. But that's not the point. The point is this: you have proven you can earn outside your job. That changes your mindset. Over time, this side income grows, and slowly, your dependence on salary reduces. That's when options start appearing. Building scalable assets. Here's where most people make a mistake. They try to earn more by working more hours, more effort. But that doesn't solve the problem. It just creates more work. Instead, focus on scalable assets. Assets that don't need your time every day. Examples: YouTube videos, digital products, online courses, templates, investments. You create once, and it continues earning. A video can generate income for years. A product can be sold multiple times. This is powerful because income is no longer tied to your time. And that's when the trap starts breaking. The final phase, financial control. At this stage, something changes. You may still have your job, but now you don't depend on it. Your salary becomes optional, and that creates freedom. You can choose better opportunities, say no to bad ones, take calculated risks. Work becomes a choice, not a necessity, and that is a powerful position. Conclusion: the salary trap is one of the most common financial patterns today. Millions of hardworking people are in it, not because they lack talent, but because they were never shown another path. Escaping it is not about quitting your job. It's about building alternatives. Start small, build skills, create side income, focus on assets, think long-term. And over time, something powerful happens. Your life no longer depends on one paycheck. Instead, your income comes from systems you built. And that is when the salary trap finally disappears.